Websites that make life easier are often hidden in plain sight, and most people never hear about them. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 secret websites that can save you time, reduce stress, and make everyday tasks much simpler. Let's start with the first one. Website number 1 is remove.bg. This website removes image backgrounds instantly. Just upload a photo, and in seconds the background is gone. No Photoshop, no skills needed. It's perfect for product photos, profile pictures, or social media posts. Website number 2 is PDF Escape. This site lets you edit PDFs online for free. You can add text, highlight, draw, and sign documents directly in your browser. It's extremely useful when you need quick edits without downloading any software. Website number 3 is TinyWow. TinyWow offers dozens of free tools in one place: PDF converters, image compressors, video tools, and more. Everything works instantly, and there's no sign-up required, making it one of the most underrated productivity tools online. Right here in the middle of the list, it's clear why these are websites that make life easier. They remove unnecessary steps and let you get things done faster. Website number 4 is 10-Minute Mail. This site gives you a temporary email address that deletes itself automatically. It's perfect for signing up on websites without exposing your real inbox to spam. Website number 5 is archive.org. The Internet Archive lets you access millions of free books, movies, music, and even old versions of websites. It's an incredible resource for learning, research, and nostalgia. All these tools prove that the internet is full of websites that make life easier. You just need to know where to find them. Try at least one today and see how much time you can save. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.